Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by selecting the elements you want to control and adding auto layout immediately. Press Shift plus it to convert a frame or group. Once added, choose a direction, horizontal or vertical, and set spacing between items and padding for the container so inner content breathes. Make sure to pick hug contents when you want natural sizing, or fill container to stretch items. This choice determines how children respond when the parent resizes, and it prevents manual rework later when content changes. Once the initial layout is set, nest auto layout frames to create predictable, modular components. Placing an auto layout inside another lets you control complex UI with simple rules. Make sure to adjust alignment and distribution so items align consistently across breakpoints, and choose fixed or responsive sizing for children based on whether they should stretch. As you refine, tweak padding and spacing modes to maintain rhythm. This avoids pixel hunting and makes components reusable across screens and variants while keeping consistency. You finish by turning nested layouts into components and creating variants so design changes propagate automatically. Once done, test resizing in prototype mode and on different device frames to confirm behavior. Make sure constraints and percent or fill options match your intended responsive rules, and apply consistent spacing tokens for scale. If things go wrong, inspect nested frames for conflicting hug verses, fill settings, and mixed fixed sizes. Resolving those mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.